Nanubabo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, we were invited by Casa J, located dito po sa may Angeles City. And take a look at my background. This is one of the best amenities you're gonna have in this property, and I wanna tour you more. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! So let me start the tour dito po sa kanilang pool area. Pool size natin is small to medium. However, the depth is 4 feet to 6 feet. So medyo malalim siya, guys. However, if you're gonna be with your kids, always, tend them, lagi natin silang samahan. Alternatively, they can actually stay dun sa parang bubble jet jacuzzi that is actually set for kiddos if they wanna dip in here. Also in here, meron tayong gazebo in which ito rin yung kanilang outdoor dining area, and at the same time, video okay area, and at the same time, the dirty kitchen. You can actually cook here, you can have your food here, as well as entertainment. At least nasa likuran sila, those who wanna stay and rest nasa loob ng property. So let's get inside, tingnan natin yung mga amenities doon. Alright, so this is it. So nanggaling tayo actually dun sa likuran, palabas tayo. Actually excited akong makita nyo kaagad yung swimming pool area, and then coming from there, this is the communal area. Notice, very high ceiling. It's very spacious. Dito sa lugar na to, you have your sports bar. So meron tayong billiards table. Ito yan. We also have a table for chess. And then that's the table for the ping pong or table tennis. Now dito sa baba, meron tayong 3 rooms for your bedroom. Ito yung first room. There you go. Air conditioned yan, guys. Actually, every room, every bedroom is actually air conditioned. Let's go to the other 2 rooms. So this is room number 1. This room has its own toilet and bath. Meron din siyang sariling television that is wired in the internet. Yung mga magstay dito can actually enjoy yung Netflix entertainment or YouTube. And then next room is similar to room number 1. So this is room number 2. Difference lang nila, guys, this one doesn't have a television. So here, comfortable sleeping, 2 to 3 person. And then ito yung toilet and bath naman niya. So still dito sa first level, ito yung ating bar section. There you go. And mommy is actually enjoying talking to Alexa. So smart home po siya. You can actually control some of the lights, even yung mga function ng pool. So you can turn on yung bubbles, yung lights. Dito naman sa loob, you can ask Alexa to play your entertainment. Say for example, let's try it. Hey Alexa, what song do you want, mommy?
Alexa, play Bruno Mars music.
Bruno Mars.
Shuffling Bruno Mars and similar artists on Amazon Music.
There you go. Let's wait for it.
No.
Just the way you are. Good one, Alexa. Alexa, turn on the aircon daw, sabi niya. Dito rin, meron tayong maliit na snack section. We have the prices. Here are some of the snacks and noodles that you can actually enjoy. Siyempre, babayaran natin yan kapag na-consume natin. So, still here sa first level, here is the indoor kitchen. It also has the indoor dining. So, my impression, it's actually a luxurious stay. Although, yung theme natin dito is a little bit mixed. Dahil nga staycation na to, bahay ng Amerikano. So yung mga iba-ibang gamit niya from other countries, nilagay niya dito. So meron tayong modern, meron tayong from Europe, some from Norway, some from Turkey, some from Korea. So iba-iba yung theme niya, and that actually makes it very unique. But this place, itong indoor kitchen natin, actually has a modern feel. And then additionally, if you got really thirsty for this Ayan, kulang tayo dito and then bayaran natin. Yun o, mommy is working. So still here sa living room, you can actually enjoy mga live fishes dito sa aquarium na to. Another amenity that you will also enjoy is the movie room. So let me tour you guys. Let me tour you. This is the movie room. Ayan. Look at that theater system, no? Alam ko this is surround. Ayan, no? May mga speakers tayo sa wall. It also has a speaker dito sa floor. Ayun. And then ito yung screen natin. Actually, later pa natin siya itatry. But the way you operate it is from this computer right here. It has the instruction. Ito siya. It's written here. Nice section of the house. Air condition. The popcorn machine is not working. It's here for display. However, meron tayong popcorn maker dun sa kitchen. So, yun na lang gamitin natin. So, this section is actually yung access natin going to the gazebo. Ayan. This place is actually the laundry area. So you can use this, no? Kung may kailangan kayong labahan, it has the spinner and yung dryer, some detergents and soap. You can actually use that. You can also use this kapag marami yung pagkain na dala nyo. Laki ng ref. Grabe. So we're done dito sa first level. We're gonna be going sa second floor using this a little bit steep stairs. So the second level has 2 rooms. Ayan, so the first room is this one. I have to add pala, so each room actually has additional mattress to extend yung sleeping capacity ng room. Air conditioning, and this room, particularly this room, has a balcony facing yung pool natin. Ito siya. Right, so still at the second level, meron tayong common CR dito. Notice, meron siyang bathtub, toilet and bowl, the sink, or the lavatory. So, last room I want to tour you is this one. It's room number 5. There you go. Not too much fancy, but what I like about here, meron siyang access sa balcony facing yung front side naman. There you go.